So, I have a problem. And no, it's not these guys. It's this. I've almost got it. This FPV stuff is as confusing as this painting of a horse. If that is a horse. From the front of it is definitely not. What even is a U of R? I've never even heard of such a place. And what in the stars is this electronic speed controller? You know what I mean. My steed speeds just fine. The only term that makes any sense is disarming. Now that I know how to do. I mean, how are you even supposed to do this FPV drone thing? This right here is how you learn. This book covers all the basics of FPV drones, from how to cast spells to make your drone assemble. Oh dear. I guess the process is a little different. But it teaches you how to buy, build, fly, soar. When it comes to FPV drones, it's an amazing resource and would put most scribes to shame with how beautifully illustrated it is. Look at these illustrations. I'm not sure what this is yet, but by U of Art, it is beautiful. And this here is the best part. We are selling this amazing book as a digital copy for a limited time for only 2 left duck legs. Or whatever that translates into your currency. Get your digital copy today by clicking the link below. Whatever that is. Is that a chainmail link or an Aventail? Maybe it goes on your gamison. I don't know what they're talking about in this battle. I've got to be able to see what I'm doing. Where is Guinevere when you need her? Ah!